Ready to uncover the powerful synergy of apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, honey, and lemon for weight loss. Welcome to Marvelous Ways. In this video, we are diving deep into effective solutions that combine these natural ingredients to potentially aid your weight loss journey. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way without dieting or exercising by visiting brandsapp.com or click on the link below this video in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's dive into the 4 tips in this video. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is derived from fermented apples and contains acetic acid, which is believed to have several weight loss benefits. Acetic acid has been shown to suppress appetite and increase feelings of fullness, which may lead to reduced calorie intake. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for managing cravings and preventing overeating. Some studies also suggest that apple cider vinegar may boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, potentially leading to gradual fat loss. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice with numerous health benefits, including its potential role in weight management. One of the key benefits is the ability to improve insulin sensitivity. By doing so, cinnamon helps your body use glucose more efficiently, preventing excess glucose from being stored as fat. Furthermore, cinnamon's thermogenic properties can slightly elevate your metabolic rate, increasing the number of calories your body burns even at rest. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and encourage the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to more weight loss viewers like yourself. What is your favorite tip so far? Comment below and let's continue with the rest. Number 3. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It is important to choose raw, unprocessed honey for its potential health benefits. Despite being a source of natural sugars, honey's composition sets it apart from refined sugars. Its fructose content is balanced with glucose, resulting in a lower glycemic index. This means honey is less likely to cause sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of overeating. Including a small amount of honey in your diet can provide a touch of sweetness without drastically impacting your calorie intake. Number 4. Lemon. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports your immune system and helps your body fight inflammation. Additionally, lemon water can aid digestion. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes which assist in breaking down food efficiently. Improved digestion can prevent bloating and discomfort, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Moreover, adequate hydration from lemon water can help curb appetite and prevent overeating. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. Check the other videos on our end screen right now. They will surely help you in your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.